Taong 2005, 6 na buwan matapos na talunin ang Mexican legend na si Erik Morales, si Manny Pacquiao sa isang controversial na laban. Isa na naman Mexican fighter ang sinagupa ng pambansang kamao bago pa sagupain ng mga maangas ng boksingero na si Antonio Margarito, Adrian Bruno, Mayweather Jr. at Heath Durman. Round 1 pa lang kita na kung gaano kataas ang kumpiyansa ni Velasquez sa laban. Sinubukan butasan agad nito ang depensa ng Pinoy fighter. Kumunikta ito ng mga patama sa katawan at ulo ni Pacquiao na sa oras na ito tila nakikiramdam pa lamang kung anong klaseng laban na ibibigay ni Velasquez.
Over and over in the ring, particularly against Juan Manuel Marquez. Jab, jab, left hand. Jab, jab, left hand. Not enough for Ryan. Velasquez avoids a headbutt and bangs Pacquiao twice to the body.
Straight left hand of his.
Pacquiao landed a right. Velasquez landed a right hand after earlier driving Pacquiao back with a left. And you saw Pacquiao look to the crowd and shake his head a little bit, as if to say he's trying to butt me with his skull. There's a big right hand by Velasquez. Pacquiao tries to answer straight away with a hard left hand. And there's a good left from Pacquiao. Velasquez holds his hands out as if to say, that didn't hurt.
And actually headbutts may be a big factor in this fight, the way it's going also.
They've flirted with headbutts 3 or 4 times in the first round already.
Serious headbutts.
Panay ang mintis sa malapalos na Pinoy fighter. Mas sumimple pa na suntok sa ulo ni Pacquiao habang ito nakahidlock.
To figure out what's going on.
He blocked one right hand with his glove, took the second right hand, and shook his head a bit. Pacquiao landing a left in there. Velasquez with a right and a left. Wild action extends beyond the bell. Extends beyond the bell.
Batid ng korner ni Velasquez na wala na sa diskarte ang kanilang pambato. Halatang inis asar dahil sa bilis ng hinyo ang galawan ng Pinoy.
Superior to him in everything. Don't let him take the initiative. He can't even fight. You know how to fight. You've been in the gym for a long time. Throw the overhand right and hit him underneath. Come on, hit him hard. Underneath.
Sa Andre, hindi na mapigil ang bruskong pagkipaglaban ni Velasquez. Siya. Puro solidong patama na ibinibigay nito sa Mexican fighter.
Hard left hand.
I have this sense.
And watch him train on a daily basis. After that fight, coach decided that was too.
Sa round 4, halatang gumigaywang na si Velasquez sa tindi ng mga suntok na pinapatama ng Pinoy fighter. At kahit wala na ito sa diskarte, sugod na sugod pa rin ang Mexicano.
When they're filled with confidence, and it's the time you just gotta take the gun and shoot it.
Larry, you're right, but still, a fighter like him, he has to do what he's doing right now. He may make enough money in the next year or two where if he does run out of energy, so to say, he'll at least be a rich man.
Sluggers. He has in some ways the kind of life that Jack Dempsey had. He has in some ways the kind of life that Mike Tyson had at his peak in the ring. Manny Pacquiao has parallels to both those guys.
Which as fans, we benefit from.
Absolutely.
Sa round 5, hindi na matiis ni Pacquiao ang pagbabraso ni Velasquez, kaya naman nang maulit pa uli ang paghihidlak, bumawi ito ang Pinoy fight. Sa round 6, hindi na malaman ng Mexicano kung saan manggagaling ang mga atake ng Pinoy fighter. At hindi tulad sa naunang mga rounds, hindi na ito agresibong umaatake. Nasa mga oras na ito, batid na nagkamali sila na sinagupa dahil sa oras na sinabi ng trainer na walang alam sa pakipaglaban si Manny Pacquiao. Para na rin itong sinabi na mahina ang boksingero si Hector Velasquez. Sa tindi mga kombinasyon na pinagawalan kay Velasquez, hindi na ito nakapurma, bagamat nagawa pa rin ito makatayo mula sa pagkaluhod. Itinigil ng referee ang bakbakan dahil makikita sa kilos ng maangas na Mexican fighter at tila ba sumusuko na ito sa laban.
Luster grows again. And referee, I keep saying Lou Filippo, that's Lou Moret. Let me correct that. We got 2 Lou's here in California, and that's Lou Moret, who made the good stop.
Ano masasabi mo sa bakbakang ito? Para sa inyong opinion, i-comment mo niyan sa ating comment section sa ibaba. At kung nagustuhan mo naman ang video ito, paiwan naman ako ng like at pasubscribe na rin sa ating munting channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Sama kayo na rin lang, mag-ingat, God bless. Bye bye!